Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove a CapCut watermark at the end, which looks like this. As you can see at the end, it's CapCut, tap to edit text, basically watermark. And to remove this, it's actually really simple, but you cannot remove this from the video you already did. This will apply to new projects, I believe, so you're going to click on the settings button at the top right corner right there. And as you can see, there's a add default ending. So all you have to do is actually disable it and discard it. I'm sorry. And when you discard it, basically in the future videos, it will automatically be discarded and you will not see that CapCut default ending anymore. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.